Hi, I am Lynn from Las Vegas Models Charot. So I am Ray Vicente and today I am here to tell you what is Japan and Indian literature is all about. Two ancient lands, two timeless traditions, Japan and India, both have given the world the stories full of wisdom, love, and courage that still inspire us today.
In Japan, literature reflects harmony, nature, and simplicity. From the poetic lines of haiku to the emotional depth of the tale of Genji, Japanese writers capture beauty in every moment.
Even the sounds of rain tells a story. That's the beauty of Japanese words.
Indian literature burst with color and philosophy from the great Mahabharata and Ramayana to the poetry of Rabindranath Tagore. These works explore duty, love, and the search for truth.
Every verse is a lesson, every story a reflection of the soul.
Though ocean apart, Japanese and Indian literature share one heart, a deep respect for life, nature, and the human spirit.
Discover, read, feel the world through their
Let the story of Japan and India remind us our culture may differ, but our emotions unite us.